Hello everyone. Now look into this news. A new fish species has been found in the forest of Kenya, Africa, and its scientific name is Notobranchius sylvaticus, meaning pertaining to forest in the Latin language. So to understand this news, first look into the genus and distinction of this species. So this species, Notobranchius sylvaticus fish species, comes under the genus Notobranchius. So here to understand this, let us understand the taxonomy. Here genus means a group of closely related species which share common characteristics and they share a common ancestor. So here the ancestor of this species is known as Notobranchidae. So this is the ancestor of this species, Notobranchius. So here they are known as the ancestor, and under this comes the genus, that is the Notobranchius, and under genus comes the subspecies, that is the Notobranchius sylvaticus and other species, subspecies. So genus is a species, whereas under genus there comes the subspecies. So in the taxonomy, according to their classification, above the ancestor known as the family or the order. So here for the Notobranchius sylvaticus, the family, that is, for example, you can take surname. So the surname or the family or the order is the killifish. So they are known as the killifish and they come under the genus of Notobranchius. So they are known as anvil killifish. So now I think you can understand the news better. The news says that recently there has been discovered species of the killifish which is endemic to a Kenyan forest. So here they are first known endemic killifish to persistent in a forest. Why they are having the name annual killifish? Annual because they live in temporary pools of water that dry up seasonally. So here after them dying up, the eggs survive in the dry mud until the rainy season. So their lifespan comes all around in an annual year. So that's why they are known as annual killifish. So now according to the news, it has been found that this lineage, that is the Notobranchius sylvaticus, is being diverged from their sister species. So sister species is nothing but recent ancestor. So I have told that their ancestor is Notobranchidae. So here the news is that before 7.09 million years ago, they have been diverted from their own ancestor and and they are known as distinct species. So here this is a very important phenomenon because for prelims understanding, we all have to go through a lot of concepts related to environment. For example, we can have different reasons on why there is this lineage diversion. For example, we can take species evolution, we can take natural selection, we can take mutation, we can take many continental drift theories. So it helps us to understand whether any species particularly found comes under existing species or it is a new species. And also getting to know about these information helps us to understand their communication pattern, their mating pattern, their camouflage and survival instincts. So all of these criteria are very important to know. So according to the polygenetic analysis, so here polygenetic is nothing but analysis of the evolutionary relationship through the understanding of the genetic composition or genetic relations. So here through that analysis, they have confirmed, the study has confirmed that that species is a distinct species and it is not now related to their ancestor Notobranchidae. So this is the news. Now let us look into the morphology and the features of these species. So they are known to have light blue scales covering the trunk. So trunk can be known as the middle part. So here we can see how there are blue scales, and grey head with red lobes and brown lead oblique bars. So here they are known to have red lobes and oblique bars which can be red brown in color. Now looking into their dorsal and anal fins. So this is the dorsal and this is the anal fin. So this comes as the first, which is connected with the body, and this comes connected with the tail. So here they are known to have golden gray dots which leads to black stripes, and in the caudal fin, that is the anal fin, here they are known to have red stripes where it leads to slender distal band which is black in color. So here from golden they have black nature, and from being red they have black spots. So these are the features of this fish. And here looking into their sexual dimorphism, that is the physical features, males are generally larger than the females on the Notobranchia sylvaticus. Looking into their threats and conservation, so here according to the IUCN status, they are critically endangered. And now looking into threats, they, because of habitat degradation due to land and water resource, has their impact. So this threat can lead to risk of extinction of the same species if habitat destruction continues. Now let us look into the killifish overview. Here they are known as opivorous, where they are known to be as leg-laying fishes, and according to the article there are almost 1270 species existing. Now looking into their size, they are typically 1 to 2 inches or 2.5 to 5 centimeter in size, and sometimes they can be larger. So here we know male can be larger in size. Males are more colorful and have more developed fins than the females here. Now looking into their habitat and diet, they live in small pools that may dry up, leading to short spans which is over 2 years. So that's why we know they are known to be as annual killifish. They are found in fresh or brackish waters across America, South Europe, Africa, Middle East and even Asia. So it can lead till to Vietnam also. And looking into their diet, they eat small crustaceans, insects, seeds in captivity such as brine shrimp, daphne, mosquito larvae and so on. So I hope the article is clear, and from prelims point of view, it is important to know the features of the species for us to understand the ecology or the environmental concepts, and how it, such species are important to know whether they come from earlier species or a new species, to understand the biodiversity that they are existing in. So now let us look into a prelims practice question. Where are Notobranchia sylvaticus discovered? And the answer is option B, A, Kenyan forest.